Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, which is all about how to make money from your hobbies, I want you to do 3 things for me. No. 1. If you enjoy my content, which I hope you do, put a like on this video. Oh, it really helps the platform know that you find value in my videos so they can show it to more people. No. 2. Subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so already, I would love to have you here within the community. And lastly, 3. Turn on the bell. You'll see this little bell beside subscribe. Make sure that S turned on so that you can be notified every time I release new content because I put out a video every single week. And I don't want you to miss any of them. Alright, let's jump into today's content. I want to talk to you about how to make money from your hobbies. Do you have a hobby that you are truly passionate about? Maybe there's something you enjoy doing, or maybe there's something you're really knowledgeable about. But it just remains a hobby, and you've never really taken it any further than that. Maybe you've thought about turning it into a business or turning it into some sort of side hustle, but you've never quite figured out how. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 different ways that you can use your hobby to make money. So stick around to the end of this video so you can get all 3 tips, because they are very different, and I think one of them might be really applicable to what you're looking to do. Let's dive in. Okay, so the first way that you can use your hobby to make money is to simplify an ebook. So, I want you to think about the knowledge that you have within your hobby. Is there a certain area of expertise or a particular aspect of your hobby that you could create an ebook about? Now, if you've ever thought about creating an ebook before, you probably imagine a lot of work involved. You probably imagine having to write hundreds of pages, having to design the whole thing, having to figure out how to upload it to a website. There's a lot that goes into creating an ebook, but what if I told you that you could create a simplified ebook? What I mean by this is instead of creating a traditional ebook, you create a simplified version. So instead of writing 100 pages, you write 6 pages. Instead of having a full cover design and a back cover design and a front cover design and all of these individual chapters with page numbers, headers, footers, all of this stuff, you create a simplified ebook. A simplified ebook is exactly what it sounds like. It's a simple ebook. It's not overdone. It's not overdesigned. It's not overwritten. Keep it nice and simple, and then you could sell it on platforms like Etsy. Now, why Etsy? Well, Etsy is great for digital products, and digital products are products like ebooks, like guides, like worksheets, things that can be downloaded immediately after purchase. And when you create a simplified ebook, it fits perfectly within the niche of digital products. When someone purchases your ebook on Etsy, it gets sent straight to their email address, and they can download it and read it immediately. So the benefit of selling on a platform like Etsy is that there's already a ton of customers. They're looking for digital products. They're ready to buy. You don't have to market the ebook to anyone. They're simply browsing Etsy looking for specific products that they want to purchase. All you have to do is make sure that you're using keywords in your title and in your tags specifically so that people can find your product when they're researching for it. Now, this method works well for any hobby where you feel like there's a gap in knowledge. For example, if your hobby is gaming and you're particularly good at a specific game and you've picked up a few tricks along the way, you could create a simplified ebook about those tricks. You could teach people how to improve their gameplay, or how to achieve a specific level, or how to beat a specific part of the game. That's just one example, but I'm sure if you think about it, you could come up with many other examples within your own hobby. Okay, tip 2, and this is a bit of a unique one, but hear me out. Sell digital resource designs. So, tip 1 was to create a simplified ebook that you could sell on a platform like Etsy. This tip is similar in the sense that you're still selling digital products on a platform like Etsy, but it's a bit different in the sense that you're actually designing the products. So if you're artistic, or if you're good at graphic design, or maybe you're good at something else that allows you to create digital resources like templates, social media designs, planners, anything like that, you could sell those on a platform like Etsy. So if you love cooking and you'd like to create recipes, or if you like to bake and you like to plan out all of your meals ahead of time, or maybe you're into fitness and you create workout templates that you could sell on a platform like Etsy. Again, there's already a marketplace of people who are looking to buy these kinds of digital products. You don't have to market them. All you have to do is create them and list them on Etsy for sale. Okay, tip 3, and this one is my favorite, and this one involves creating a YouTube channel. I have a whole entire playlist of videos about how to start a YouTube channel, but I'm briefly summarize it for you right now. So tip 3 is to create a specialized YouTube channel where you offer mini consultations. So there are so many different types of YouTube channels that you could create within any hobby. You could create a channel that shares tutorials, tips, and tricks about your hobby. You could create a channel that reviews products related to your hobby. You could create a channel that offers mini consultations. And this is what I recommend, because offering mini consultations on YouTube is a fantastic way to monetize your YouTube channel. It's also a fantastic way to monetize your hobby. It's very simple. So all you have to do is set up a YouTube channel and create a series of videos where you offer mini consultations. Create a 3-minute video where you answer questions about your hobby. Or create a 5-minute video where you offer advice about your hobby. For example, if your hobby is fitness, you could create a series of videos called Fitness Facts. You could create a series of videos called Fitness Tips, or you could even create a series of videos called Ask the Fitness Expert. These are all formats of mini consultations. All you have to do is answer questions or offer advice related to your hobby. And by doing this, you're building up your YouTube channel. You're building up your subscribers, and you're building up your brand. And once you've built up your YouTube channel enough, you can apply for a partner program. And once you're in the partner program, you can start to monetize your videos through ads. You can also monetize your videos through sponsorships. And finally, you can also sell your own products and services on your YouTube channel. So this is my favorite method for monetizing your hobby, because it has the most opportunity for growth and because it requires less upfront work. When you reselling an ebook, or when you recreating digital products, or when you recreating templates, you have to create those products first before you can start making any money. But with YouTube, all you have to do is create the video, and then the views will come in, and then the money will follow. So these are 3 ways that you can use your hobby to make money. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next week.